It's just so amazing. It's so easy to use. It's literally so cute too. As you can see, it looks so expensive as well. So it kind of looks like decoration as well. Everywhere, living rooms, everywhere. And the best thing you can do is get an air purifier like this one. I've been training all these days in the gym and I've been feeling sick. I've been feeling so weird, and this amazing, please, it's absolutely amazing. It's a 10 out of 10. It's gonna work. And also I use it to my room so I sleep just like a baby.